Good morning again, guys. So now, I'm wearing the hat of a master black belt. Okay, so, but I'm not standing here as a geek guy who will be discussing hypothesis testing and all this statistical tools. We will sit back and relax on that, okay? But coming from how we were warmed up, and now you're warming up with that snack, pero guys, medyo seloso ako, so please still give me that ample attention on my talk. So I think Dr. Abeng jump-started it very well when we now looking towards how we incorporate lean, both in manufacturing and service support. And even I got curious in terms on the planet part, when we are so centered on gaining profits, but at the same time, right now in this information age, we also need to take care of environmental sustainability. So, what is my take? Okay, what is my take on my side of the story? I'll be bringing you, listen attentively guys, before you eat, okay? My take will be, I'll be getting you outside of your scope. We will ride a chopper's view, and we will see all these models in one scale. What is my point? There are so many models in the industry already. Lean, Six Sigma, Balanced Scorecard, ISO, ITIL, CMMI. The thing is, where do we want to begin? Does it sound logical, guys? Tama ba? Madami na, no? There are so many models that are there. Do they battle with each other? Or do they complement? If they complement, how? That is my side of story. Okay, my goal is that after my talk, when you go back, you can now tell it to your bosses or to even your peers, this is how we will use Lean Six Sigma. This is where Balanced Scorecard will come in. Hindi pa tayo pwede mag Six Sigma because of this. That's the point. Does it make sense? Right? Because at the end of the day, this is a quick learning. You will not apply a methodology because it's a flavor of the month. Kasi in ka, wow, parang marami gumagamit ng Six Sigma. Let me see it. Let me test it. Right? The thing is, our goal is, when you would now like to try it, at least, there will be no errors. There will be no errors in terms of execution. That is my side of the BPM. Okay, so to begin with, in my discussion, okay, let me go back to the grassroots. Okay, when we now discuss all these quality models, may it be operations or service support areas, all of this will boil down to one thing: the shareholder profit margin. Do you agree? In a profit-earning organization, our goal is to gain profit. Right? Let's go back to the grassroots. Let's go back to the basic. How do we earn that? Okay? In a basic mathematical standpoint, naku, may math na naman, no? Kala ko ba pahinga tayo? Naglulugaw na nga ako, may math pa. Alright? But no, it's quite simple. Don't worry. For me to increase my profit margin, anong gagawin ko, guys? For me to increase profit, ano muna una kong gagawin? Basic. Top of mind. Anyone? What will I do? Before I lower down the cost, what is the essence of a business? Sales. To do what? To sell more. Diba? That's the reason why you're in the business. Diba? And when you sell more, now you will achieve high revenue.